You're going to take a step forward and bend your knee. And then your left arm is going to come up straight out in front of you at a 45-degree angle, kind of where the ceiling and your back arm is going to just go back behind you, just gently back behind you, but put a little life and activity in it. And you keep this right knee bent so that you can feel the muscle in that right quadriceps muscle, so that you can start to sense and feel that you're in there. Now, you slightly turn your head toward the arm that's up in front of you, and you close your opposite eye if you can. Now, this is considered the Morter March, this contralateral exercise that has your left arm in front of you and your right leg in front of you. It's always opposite arm. So now you're just going to take a breath in and hold it in, and you would intend something peaceful and beautiful and what it is that you would love to have manifest in your life. Just bring that sensation into your body at the same time. Then when you have to exhale, you hold it until the last moment, and let's say we're at that moment, then you just exhale. Then you would just simply drop your arms and pivot around to the left, and then all of a sudden you notice that your left leg is now bent in the same position. Now you're going to switch the arms as well, and the right arm is going to come up at a 45-degree angle where the wall would meet the ceiling, and the back arm is going to come down, back and down behind you at a 45-degree angle where the wall would meet the floor. And you're in this position, slightly tilt and turn the head toward the arm that's up here and take a deep breath in. And as you hold your breath in, as long as you can hold it, then you begin to reprogram the nervous system. And you let it out when you have to, but in the meantime, you're intending and focusing and feeling in your body the ideal situation that you would love to feel, what you would have be true for yourself. You let it happen. Now, while you're holding your breath, what's happening is we're accessing the priority system in the nervous system, which basically says, if she can't take another breath for a while, I'm going to relax some of the tension that I carry around in this body all the time, in case I can conserve some energy, in case I can't take another breath for a while, and I can survive a little longer. So we're utilizing a survival instinct in the body upon itself to help us trigger a signal of relaxation. So she exhales when she has to, then you drop the arms back down, spin back around, and you would just repeat that same action. Bending the right leg, the left arm comes up in front, the right arm comes back and down. Take a breath in, hold it in, turn and tilt the head, and continue. So we would do this, holding the breath as long as you can in this position again, and intending a relaxed, beautiful feeling, sensation inside the body. The nervous system starts doing a checklist and basically saying, what could I relax? You're inputting this idea of a relaxed, beautiful sensation in the body, and it's starting to update subconscious memory. Then when you have to exhale, you drop the arms, spin right back around again. It's just as simple as that. So then the left leg is forward, the right arm is up, 45-degree angles, tilt and turn the head, close this opposite eye, look right up here, and take a deep breath in, and hold it in as long as you can, and focus on how I would love to be feeling inside my body right now. What kind of sensation would be here in the cellular system if I were relaxed and peaceful and in my ideal set of circumstances, okay? So then you exhale, drop the hands, spin back around, and that's it. Now what we're going to do is go into the mPower step position, but what I recommend is that you practice the Morter March until you're comfortable with it. Then you come back to this page and pick up on the next details that I'm going to be sharing with you. Don't worry, it's extraordinarily powerful, something that has been helping hundreds of thousands of people over the last 40+ years all around the world. And so that alone is tremendous. And when that gets easy and feels familiar to you, then come back, click in on this, and we'll just dig in with a few more details that allow us to accentuate even more of the high brain centers in the nervous system, which are responsible for your creativity, your genius coming online on command, instead of getting stuck in the primitive brain level where we're constantly oriented toward fight or flight. This isn't safe, it's not for me, it's for everyone else, but not for me. That whole thing that allows us to get a smaller and smaller life going on. We want to flip that inside out and allow a bigger and bigger life to happen for us, but only when we're ready, okay? And so as soon as the system starts to feel easy for you, You're ready. You're building the circuitry to allow this to start to work for you in a very integrated, consistent, and unwavering fashion. So many of the foundational principles are exactly the same with the mPower step, so we'll begin. So with the mPower step, you step forward with your right leg, and your left arm comes up in front of you. And as you're rolling your eyes up and looking at this thumb, you feel the tension behind your eyes. Take a deep breath in from overhead. Breathe in through the center of the brain, through the center of the throat, through the center of the heart center itself, and breathe into the core belly. And then exhale into the earth, down through Mula Bandha and through these legs, etc.